Hello, okay. Good everyone. It's Kodak FX. I posted a video earlier on how to catch boom and crash spikes. Okay, but some people didn't really get it. Some people didn't really get what I said. Maybe the sound wasn't loud enough for some, but no worries. Okay, so I'm making another video, and this one is for mobile, but also you can still apply same settings for your PC. Okay, it's still same setup. So let's get to it now. First of all, we add our Ichimoku. Okay, these are the setups. The Tekken is 6, the Kujun is 16, the Seiko Span B is 54. Okay, now the Tekken for the style, the Tekken, Kujun, and Seiko Span should be the color of your child background. Okay, my child background is white, that's why the three are white. Then for the up Kumo and down Kumo should be the color of your candlestick. Okay, up Kumo for bullish, down Kumo for bearish. Okay, then you click done. Yeah, then we add our stochastic. Go and add your stochastic. Okay, these are the setups. The K period is 9, the D period is 3, the slowing is 3, the price feed is low/high, the method is simple. Okay, the levels is 80 and 20. You can put for overbuy. Oh, let me just put it like this. Sell, buy. Okay, so now this is how the strategy works. We all know for boom we are buying boom, and for crash we are selling crash. Okay, to catch the spikes. Now this is how it works. Whenever boom is on uptrend, and the Ichimoku is giving a signal for uptrend, that is blue, okay, you buy. Now this is what I'm talking about. As you can see here, from here, let me use this, from here down to this place, you can see it was buying from here down to here. Okay, so we use the stochastic to take entries. Okay, now the Ichimoku turned blue right here, so you use the stochastic to take entries. Immediately the stochastic gets to the 20 level, you take your buy. Okay, just like here, you take your buy right here. As you can see, it spiked here, you take your buy. As you can see, you take your buy, see what happened, it spiked. Okay, another one here again, you take your buy. Immediately the stochastic gets to 20, you buy right here. Maximum 1 to 5 candles, you hold for 1 to 5 candles. Okay, another one here again, you can see here, you take your buy. You would have caught all this spike. Okay, that's how it works. Let me show you another one, what I'm talking about. Yeah, no setup there. Okay, look at this place. As you can see, we are on uptrend here. From here, of taking your buy right here. As you can see, we have caught this spike. Okay, you take your buy again. You take your buy here. Maximum 1 to 5 candles. You would have waited for like 3 or 4 candles. You would have caught this spike and this spike. Okay. Now let's go to crash and see how it works. As you can see now, for crash, yeah, as you can see, it was selling here. You take your sell here, you would have caught this spike right here. You take your sell right here, you would have waited for 2 candles or 3 candles. You would have caught this spike here. You would have caught this spike here again. This one here, you would have caught this spike here. You would have caught this spike here again. You would have waited for 4 candles. You would have caught this spike here. You would have caught this spike here again. This spike here. Okay? It's very simple, guys. Very simple, and it's a powerful strategy. Let me show another one again. Okay, this is a good setup. As you can see, take our entry here. That waited for 3 candles. You catch this spike. You also catch this spike here. You can see. Catch this spike again. You have caught all this spike. All this spike. Can you see? All this spike. But if you are the type that likes to hold, you have taken your entry right here, and you would have held the market down to this place. Okay? Very simple. Very, very simple. You also need patience. Okay? Just like here again. Can you see? Immediately the stochastic got to 80. Can you see it spiked here? Here you would have waited. You would have waited more than 5 candles if you would have held, but you would have caught this spike here and here. Can you see? You would have caught this one too. This one right here. You would have caught this one. Can you see? If it doesn't get to 80, you don't sell. If it doesn't get to 20, you don't buy. Okay, that's the rule for the strategy. And also, Ichimoku must be giving a strong signal for up or down trend. Okay, depending if you are trading crash or boom. Now, just like this, here we will place our sell and wait for the spike. Maximum 1 to 5 candles, depends on your equity, or 1 to 6, 1 to 7. We wait for the spike. It must happen. Okay, except the trend is changing. Okay, so I'll be dropping more videos, more strategy videos, and more tutorial videos soon. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Okay, and also the free Telegram link is down below. My WhatsApp number is there. Feel free to contact me. I still remain Kodak FX, and I'm out, guys. Peace.